Good morning. WordPad and its features, part 2. First of all, open WordPad document. Then, as you know, we have done how to enter the text. For example, here I have written hello. Now, today we are learning a new thing to save a document. When we create a document, it gets named as document. You can see in the top bar, title bar, document is written over here. This is the default name given to our document. To prevent losing our document, we should save it. Now to save the document, we have to click on File tab, Save As, and now we can give the name. For example, I am giving the name of my document as class C, and now save. Now on the title bar we can see the document word is changed with the file name class 3, which I have given to save it. The shortcut key for saving a document is Ctrl plus S. We can also save the document by Ctrl plus S. WordPad document gets RTF extension. So the complete name of the file is class3.rtf. Now, if I close this WordPad document, I can see here on my desktop a WordPad file with class 3. So, to open an existing document, I can just click on WordPad. I can open WordPad file, our saved WordPad file from this. Click on File tab, then open, and then I can select my file from, and you can see this is my previous file. You can see on the top title bar class C is written, and the shortcut to open an existing document is Ctrl plus O. Now next thing we will learn is formatting. We can change the appearance of the text by changing its font, font size and font color. This is called formatting. For formatting, first of all, we need to select the text. So to select the text, we have to take the cursor to the beginning of the text. Using arrow keys we can do so, or directly with the mouse we can come to the beginning of the text. Then press and hold the shift key and press the arrow key to select the text, and release both the keys when the text is selected. The selected text appears highlighted in blue, as you can see on the screen. To deselect the text, press escape key or click anywhere in the document area. Now you can see the text is deselected. So this is the selection or deselection of the text. Now formatting. For formatting, again we have to first select the text. Now first is changing font. Font is a set or type of one particular face or size. We can change font, font size and font color of the selected text using the commands in the font group of the Home tab. Home tab, this is the commands for font group. You can see here, this is the font group. It is shown now Calibri. We can change the font. We have to click on drop down arrow of the font option in the font group to open the font gallery. Now we can choose any of the style from the gallery and click on it. Our text will appear in that font. Now for changing font size, click on the font size drop down arrow option in font group to open font size gallery, and we can choose a size from this gallery, and at last we can click on the size and our text changes its size. Now the next is font color. For changing the font color, we have to simply click on the drop down arrow of font color option in the font group to open font color gallery. Choose a color and click on it. So this is the way how we can save the document, open the saved document and format the document. That's all for today. Thank you.